In this video, you'll discover the best foods for kidney health and those who are suffering from kidney damage. Hi ladies and gentlemen, I'm Dr. Zarowski and welcome back to the channel. Now if you're new to the channel, as always, it's a pleasure to have you here. Be sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification, join our notification community so that way I can help you excel your health and your life. In this video, I'm going to uncover the best foods for kidney health. So if you're looking to improve your kidney health, if you have kidney damage, or you have kidney disease, this video is going to be very important because you need to change your diet if you want to improve your kidney health. Now, when we look at kidney disease, it's estimated that 10% of the population is actually suffering from this, and it has risen dramatically over the past several years. Now, when you have kidney damage, one of the things you want to do is change your diet up. You want to be avoiding foods that are high in potassium, high in phosphorus, high in sodium, and you also don't want to be eating a high protein diet. The other thing that you want to do is make sure that you're eating an antioxidant rich diet so that you can help neutralize the free radicals in your body. So we're going to teach you how to do that, what you need to be eating in this video. Let's go ahead and dive right in and focus first on the vegetables. Now the vegetables are going to be ones that are focused in having low amounts of potassium, sodium, and phosphorus. First on our list is going to be cauliflower, really great vegetable for this. Onions, garlic, red bell peppers, and cabbage. Now the other thing I want to mention here is that, recently I did a video on electrolytes and people were kind of bragging to me how they were using these different electrolyte drinks that were loaded with high amounts of potassium and different minerals like that. Even if you have good kidney health, you do not want to be using an excessive amount of minerals because it still is going to be very taxing on your kidneys. So, for people with kidney damage looking to improve their kidney health, we want to focus on these vegetables, but we also don't want to be adding in high amounts of different minerals even when our kidneys are healthy, because too much of a good thing is not a good thing. Next here, when we look at the fruits that we want to be eating when we have kidney damage or trying to improve our kidney health, we really want to focus on the ones that are high in antioxidants, high in phytonutrients, phytochemicals, and also flavonoids. And so that's going to fall into things such as red grapes, which are loaded with the resveratrol, cherries, strawberries, raspberries. You're seeing here we're focusing on the berries, cranberries, blueberries, and apples, all really great fruits. Now let's look at some of the other foods that you can eat and should eat. Skinless chicken, and the thing is, once again, is you don't want to be eating too much protein. We want to keep low protein when suffering from kidney problems. Fish, because it's going to be high in omega-3s, which is very good. It's an anti-inflammatory. The other thing is egg whites, because they're going to have a nice array of amino acids in them. And then olive oil, which is loaded with antioxidants and polyphenols. So this is some really great food that you want to focus on if you're someone who's trying to improve your kidney health or if you have kidney damage of any sorts. Now what I'll do too is link another video that I did up here on the signs and symptoms of kidney damage. You'll definitely want to check that out in order to improve your kidney health. So give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends so that they can get these different foods that they need to eat in order to support kidney health. And then if you have any questions, put it in the comment section below. And lastly, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. I'd greatly appreciate it. And check out my other videos on how you can improve your health. I'll see you in the next video.